What is up, guys? Welcome back to Motos and Mullets. We got the bike out. It's sunny, it's warm, first riding video of the year coming at you, and it's just going to be a fun one. We are going to do a burnout test on the Speed Kings, wait, wrong side, Speed Kings chain kit that I installed over winter on there. Stepped it up from the 51 tooth rear sprocket to 53 to get some more acceleration and just some more felt torque, if that's what you want to call it. So this is pretty much just an excuse to do some burnouts, but we're gonna let her eat, send it in deep, burn some rubber, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Alright, as you guys saw, the chain kit rips from Speed Kings. It will definitely do a burnout. I know I'm not the Grace, I'm no sea bear, but I'm practicing, so we're getting there. Now, on to the important part. Me, Motos and Mullets, Chris from the Riding Dad channel. We are going to meet in Murphy, North Carolina, July 5th through July 9th to just go on a motorcycle trip, ride together. Obviously, we're going to go ride Tail the Dragon, which we did last year too. Put a pickup. And so if any of you guys are in the area or you've been wanting to take a trip to that area, we'd love to meet you guys, ride and hang out together. So again, July 5th through July 9th, Motos and Mullets, Riding Dad, Motorcycle Week of Fun. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the chain kit. See you on the next one. Let her eat, send it in deep.
Say bye.
Bye.